Now I'm going a riverbank, which once upon a time I used to come for bathing. But this riverbank is not government; it's a man-made. So people do not usually use. But once upon a time, beside this village people used to come here. They also come who has a nearest for bathing, but most of the people, especially for winter season, they bath in on a tube well with hot water. They cannot bear the coldest water for this reason. But it is harmful here. I don't know what is happening here, but this is a riverbank. I have a memory in my childhood. I used to come and bath at least 2-3 hours, not in winter season, in the summer season. I'm telling, it's very hard. In my life I haven't bathed one even 30 minutes in winter season in the cold water. I afraid of cold water. Okay, so beside me there is a small number of vegetables. It is called one kind of spinach, and beside me the pumpkin tree, and there are some flowers. I will show you. As a Bangladeshi, you know everything, but who are from out of this country have no idea about agriculture. I have to show them. This is the followers, very like this follower shows the pumpkin can be grown, or otherwise you can use this follower for make this one kind of chicken related is Bangla called bura. You can use it with this follower, and this is the favorite green grass for cow likes it, and you can feed the cow this type of grass. You will get a lot of milk from the cow. So you are farmer, you should use it, and you will get a lot of harvest many times if you sow once. Okay, so this is one kind of border. This is the one side, this is the another side. This border means nobody should not come here, but I have come here. There is no owner here, but I will not do any wrong things with this. But I'm not child for this reason. And beside me this is the brinjal tree, and also is the red spinach available. Okay, I'm going forward to show you more. It's beautiful. Okay, here there is a one kind of small pond, not pond. uh this is not government, but it's one kind of legislation when everything turns into broken by river. But river is under of government. Beside the field of government must be under the government. But people here used to, I hear from my father or grandfather, they told me, or if people used to use this field where I'm standing here for cultivating, for agriculture. Like they used to sow paddy, they used to sow different kind of spinach. But you're seeing, but this is very low number of uh, cultivating or agriculture. But everyone, like 15 years ago I'm talking about, where 70-80% people are directly farmer and indirectly 100% was connected with this profession. But people in this time do not like the agriculture as a purpose, or as a based on Bangladeshis culture. Like we think agriculture profession is one of the poor professions, but we have do not support, we do not like. For this reason, as a young guy, I am also not right. I like agriculture, but I have no interest to do it because people have no support. But if you think about the developed country like China, Japan, they use their land properly to grow the huge amount or number of the agriculture products. But in the case of Bangladesh, it's negative. People don't know it. This is the one kind of pond. It's like 1 years ago I saw it. It's a level, but the owner used a huge amount of soil for and taking from here and use another place, maybe for house, for different kind of uh, border. It may be happen. Okay, I'm beside the river vent actually, and it is looks very awesome. and now it's the eve time. When water will go, it's called eve time, and when water will comes, it's called tide time. Like our river Isamuti was connect to the Buriganga, and Buriganga waters come from in front, before in front myself, and behind it goes. It's called tide, but behind me it goes to front. It's called tide. Eve. So it's the eve time. So now the river water is gradually decreasing. Okay, this video the main topics for calling you about my childhood, one of my best memory, uh, one of my riverbank. I used to come here for bathing and different things. Now the weather is looks awesome, and the fog is decreasing, but fog will decrease properly when the sun arise. Inshallah, within 1 hour sun will arise, but at this moment I do not have, there is no any good hope for a rising sun, but it will happen anytime. It's a god gifted thing, so it's control our creator, so he can do it anything. So by the way, I have lived my riverbank. Once upon a time I use it, but today I have to leave it. I will come back to another video with new place, new topic. For that time, keep practicing. Inshallah, you can speak fluently. Goodbye.